Hi guys, this is Ryan from Project Jade, and this is a tutorial on how to create profiles and sign up for slots within JadeBot. To begin, all commands are going to be sent within the DMs of the Jade Slots bot. The name of the bot on my screen at the moment is Jade Slots Delta, as this is still a test version, but for you guys it'll be just Jade Slots. To begin, I'd like to show you guys the profile command. All commands sent to the bot will begin with a semicolon. When you input this command, you'll be presented with a unique user dashboard, which will include the amount of profiles you load onto your account plan, your email, and the unique ID that we use to identify you during the slot process. The email that is listed in the dashboard is the email that we will use to send Stripe invoices to if you are a PAS member, for example. To change this email, simply click the mailbox emoji located under the dashboard. Then type in the desired email. You should now see a change in the dashboard to the desired email now. If you're finished either viewing the dashboard or changing the email, you can hit the X emoji located under the dashboard to close it. Next, I'd like to show you how to actually build profiles within JadeBot. To begin, type the profile-builder command within the JadeBot. You'll now be presented with an interface to input your data for the specific profile. There is no order in which you have to fill in the details, but all the fields must be accurate in order for us to actually check out for you. So, to begin, I'll click on the house emoji located under the interface, which will enable me to input my profile name. We ask of most of our members to include their Discord name so that we are better able to identify who we are running for. So, when you hit the emoji, it'll ask you for the name of the profile, and when you're done, you'll hit enter, and you should see a change on the interface, as seen here. Next, when it comes to how to input and change billing and shipping information, you will first want to disclose if your billing and shipping information are the same or different. To do this, hit the globe emoji located under the interface. If your information is the same, type yes. If it is different, type no. You should see this information reflected in the main interface now. Next, we can click on the emote that corresponds to billing information. This will then introduce us to the sub interface, which will help us to input our billing information for each respective field. For this, simply hit the emote that corresponds to the field that you want to fill in, and then enter in your details. So, for example, we can hit the one emote and then enter in our full name. Continue to do this for every field you need to fill out your respective address. Once you're done, your interface should look something like this. And then you should be able to click on this check emoji. This check emoji will help to save your billing information and will bring you back to the main interface. The same process is to be done for shipping information. In my case though, I do not need to fill it out, as I have marked same billing and shipping information as true as seen here. If you mark this as false though, then you must fill out the shipping and the billing information sections. To do so, simply hit the corresponding emote below the interface, which will bring you to a similar interface to that of the billing information. Next, we can fill out payment details. First, hit the corresponding emote. It'll present you with another sub interface. For name on card, type in the name of the cardholder. For card type, fill out the type of card of your respective credit card. For example, Visa or MasterCard. For the rest of the information, what is needed is quite self-explanatory. Fill it in the appropriate fields. One important note to make is that card expiration month should include 2 digits, while the card expiration year should always include 4 digits. When you're done, hit the check and make sure that there are no errors. If you'd like for us to only check out once on a desired item, hit the cart emote. Type in yes if you'd like us to only have one checkout, and false if you'd like us to hit multiples. You should now be done creating your profile. You can now hit the check emote under the interface. This will present you with the config of your complete profile. Please make sure to check that there are no errors. Now that I've showed you how to build a profile manually within JadeBot, I will now show you how to also import profiles from AYCD into JadeBot. To begin, type the profile-import command. You'll be presented with a new interface. Click on the magnifying glass emote under the interface. You can now drag and drop your JSON file that you exported from AYCD into the bot. As you can see here, I have the JSON file. Just drag, drop, and upload. You have to make sure that the profile is exported from AYCD in the AYCD format, or else it will not get picked up. We will later be adding support for Kodai Essentials and other toolboxes. Once you send it, you should see a confirmation from the bot. Hit the plus emote to add it to your list of usable profiles, or the X emote if you want to cancel the action. If you'd like to view what profiles you've already signed up on each slot, you can run the live-slots command. This will give you a breakdown of all the profiles that you've submitted across all live releases. You can hit the X emote if you are done viewing the page, but if you'd like to cancel a particular profile, hit the magnifying glass emote. It will then ask you to enter the name of the slot, followed by the name of the profile that you wish to cancel. After doing this, you should receive confirmation from the bot.